time for another unboxing video. Welcome back to the Monster Rabbit YouTube channel. We've got two boxes here. One from my good friend Jerry, aka Slim Quattro. You may have remembered in the previous video that me and him are swapping seatbelts, so I'm assuming that's what's in there. We've also got this box here from Carlos. Now we've got this box from Jerry from WV Morgantown, which I'm guessing that's West Virginia. And this one from Carlos is OH, I'm guessing that's Ohio, could be wrong. Let's dive in with this box from Jerry. Let's have a little look. Oh, more packing peanuts. Thanks for this, thank you. At least it's, oh man, there's a whole bunch of packing peanuts. Okay, I'm gonna film this here because, you know, I don't want this shit going everywhere again like you saw in the previous videos. Okay, there's one, and there's the other one. Yes, and he signed it as well. Jerry, aka Slim Quattro. This is cool. We got tan seatbelts for the truck. From the Westmoreland, PA plant to the PNW, then to West Virginia, so I was right. Now to live on the Isle of Wight. He's dated it as well. Dude, thanks so much. That's amazing. And yeah, like if you're new here, I ask people to sign the parts that are going into the truck because these parts are going to be in the truck forever. And I want them to tell a story. I want people to see where these parts are from, who owned them previously, you know, who's had their input on this truck. And I think, like I said, I want this truck to tell a story because there's been many people's hands that have gone into this truck and getting it to where it is. So I want it to tell its own story. So, dude, this is cool though. Look, it's got tan seatbelts, man. As you can see, we've got some pink, obviously with the tan, when it gets, you know, when it's been in sunlight for so long, the tan plastic stuff or rubber stuff does turn like this faded pink. Apologies for the wind. I'd rather spend money on parts for the truck than a new microphone, so that's why the audio quality is so bad. But no, this is awesome. Dude, thank you so much. And here's my black ones because, like I said on the previous video, Jerry actually wants to change his tan interior to a black interior, and I want to do the complete opposite, so I just thought it was only right that we just do a swap. So he's sent me the tan seatbelts, and I'm going to be sending the black ones. So I'm going to use the same box, and in they go, basically. Let's do this on camera. Look. Put the black seatbelts in, and thank you so much again, Jerry. This is getting me closer and closer to how I want the truck to look, and you're another part of the process. Thank you, and I appreciate you. Alrighty, let's go to our second package. Like I said, this is from Carlos. He also, both of these guys that have sent me things, both have a mountain green vehicle. A little bit of trivia there for you. You know, us mountain green guys and girls, we've got to stick together. I have a feeling I know what's inside here, and I will try and explain as much as I can. Alright, any guesses before I open this? Any guesses? What are you thinking? What do you think this is right now? What could this be? Look at the shape of it. Look at the thickness. It's heavy. It's got fragile written on it. What do you think it is? Alright, here we go. Packaged very well. Alright. What do we have here? Ooh. Stick It decals. Little sticker there. Ooh, oh wow, okay. This is something I know about. So I'm probably going to get this wrong, but he did say that Carlos has like a meet-up with some of his friends over in America, and they meet up at this, I think it's a Taco Bell, and so they've got like a little club which is called the Gem City Euro, and I think this is supposed to be the around the back of a Taco Bell. And they put it on a t-shirt, and I guess that's where they meet up and they put it on a t-shirt. Thank you, I appreciate that. That's very kind of you. That's very kind. But another t-shirt here. Wow, okay. This is a Summer Nationals Car Show 2022 presented by Air Syndicate. Oh wow, that's pretty cool, isn't it? Look at that. It's a split screen. And it's June 19. Thanks so much, Carlos. This is awesome. Cheers, pal. Definitely wear those. Ooh, okay. This one I knew about. I've wanted this. I've been waiting for this one for a while now, so I'll just go ahead and show you. You all know what this is. It's one of the Westy Wears t-shirts. As you would have seen, I've got the Snowplow shirt when that was released. This is the Mountain Green tailgate, patina tailgate from Westy Wears. There you go. You guys definitely need to go and check them out. Kale, who runs this, does an amazing job and got some really funky, cool designs. And this is one of my favorites so far. Can't wait to wear that. That's going to be awesome. And I don't know if maybe Carlos printed them, or I don't know how, but he managed to get his hands on one for me and ship it over to me. So thank you, Carlos, and thank you, Kale, for sorting that out for us. I'll put a link in the description below and you can check out Westy Wears. Alright, let's see the main event. Alrighty. Can you guess what that is? We got 1, 2, this is just glass, and 3, which I think this is plastic. But these are, I guess, vent windows or smoker windows, I think they're called. Basically, air conditioning for me and you. Some of these, Mark 1s came with factory AC, some didn't. And I guess the answer to the cars and the trucks that did not come with AC, I guess the answer was these, the vent windows. So basically, I don't know how it works. I've never actually seen these. I've heard they're quite desirable here in the UK. I don't know how it works, but basically you just pull a lever and you can push the window so it angles out, and yeah, you get more airflow in the cabin. So we've also got glass. I think, again, from talking to Carlos in the DMs, I think he said like one that has glass in already has got like a green tint to it. He's got glass which has a green tint to it, but he also has this, which I think is plastic, on the inside of this, which is clear. So I think he just sent me all 3 and I can just decide what I want to do, I suppose. But let's actually just give this yeah, so got a Volkswagen logo up there, and I think, and you guys can correct me if I'm wrong, but you could get 2 different types of these vent windows. You could get ones that are like drilled or bolted on, and some that are stick on. I don't know, but nonetheless look pretty banging, don't they? And as you guys know me, I'm all about being different. I'm already different in a way because I have a vehicle that's over 40 years old and I'm driving on roads where there's just so many modern cars around. So in a way, that in itself is being a bit different. But to go the extra step further, within the Mark 1 community, especially the UK Mark 1 community, this would be breaking apart and doing something, or being different within the Mark 1 community, because not many people here in the UK that I've seen have these. It's just a little touch that sort of breaks away from being everybody else, being like everybody else. So I really like that. So again, apparently they're really desirable. I have seen some people in the UK with these, which is cool. Like I've seen them on a lot of air-cooled stuff like Beetles, definitely split screens. But to have one on a Mark 1 where nobody else really has them, I think that's pretty cool. That's that, and that's the replacement glass, I suppose. And now I just need to find and talk to someone who knows more about these so that I can fit them in the truck. So, but all in good time. All in good time. So, we've got t-shirts, we've got tan seat belts, and we've got smoker windows. Or vent windows. I don't know what the correct term is. Probably vent windows or vents. I don't know. But anyway, I'm very shocked by the generosity of not just these guys that have sent me things, but to everybody in the Mark 1 community who has reached out, whether they've sent parts to me or whether they've just taken their time out of their day to answer some of my questions or just to chat shit to. I really appreciate you. And you know, I speak to multiple people every day, and I just really appreciate anybody who takes the time out. You know, not just, like I said, not just to spend time and money and giving away parts to me or buying the t-shirts. I have no words. I'm so grateful and thank you for. I'm just as happy talking to people from the Mark 1 community than I am receiving or giving any of the gifts and the parts and stuff. So yeah, just a massive thank you from the bottom of the heart. So this is amazing. I'm so happy with this. This is very cool. And Jerry, I'll be sending out your seatbelts like this week. And Carlos, I'll be talking to you about this, and hopefully you can help me, show me how to fit them. And thank you for the t-shirts as well. And this is awesome. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You're helping me so much getting this truck further and further along. So yeah. Thank you for watching today's video. I know it's a little unboxing, but I thought I would just share with you and document what's happening as it happens. And if you wanted to support the YouTube channel and the podcast, you can always go to the Monster Rabbit, get yourself a t-shirt, support me that way, or if you want, you can just subscribe. Just click subscribe. That to me is enough. So anyway, thank you for watching the video. Thank you to Jerry and Carlos for sending me those parts. I'll see you in another video.